This is a simple pocket tutorial. So first of all, we have the two pocket cut out. The length is about 10 inches, okay, while the width of the pocket is 14 inches. Can you see it? Is 14 inches. So if I fold it and measure, I have 7 inches on fold. Okay, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to cut and attach this pocket to the side gown. First of all, I'm placing the tool like this at the opening side. I'm curving it like this. I'm opening it now for you to see. I curve it like this and I'm trimming that side out. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to mark about ½ inch. If you don't know the amount of ½ inch, you can go ahead and measure it. I'm going to slit it by ½ inch. That's why I mark it and slit that point. This is the area that is on fold. Okay, at this folded area, I slit it by ½ inch. Okay, I still mark again to slit it by ½ inch, like so. At the opening area, I'm also marking ½ inch. At this opening area, I'm marking ½ inch. So from this ½ inch, I'm going to stitch it like so. Following the direction of my chalk, I'm going to take it to my machine and sew it this way. Once we are done with that, we are going to have something looking like this. Because I'm actually using a lining to illustrate, or if we are using any material that peels out, you can turn it up like this and top stitch on it, which is exactly what I will be doing. I'm going to top stitch on it. At this point, it is optional. You can decide to leave it, weave it round, or you top stitch on it. Because I don't want to weave it round, I'm going to top stitch on it. This is the way you are going to top stitch. So we are done with top stitching. This is the gown that we are fixing this pocket, guys. Actually, I'm not the one who sewed this gown, but one of my customers just brought it that I should insert a pocket for her. I said, why not? Let me make a tutorial with it. So from the shoulder line, I'm marking now our waistline. I'm marking now our waist point, which is 15 inches. Okay, so place the tape the way you see me do and measure the length of your your waist point. In this case, our waist point is 15. So I'm going to take notes, and you can see the way I mark it out. After that, I'm trying to loosen some stitches here because I'm actually seeing two lines. The person shaped it out with two lines, so I'm trying to free one line so that I will attach the pocket to it. This is how I'm going to stitch it down. I'm going to stitch it the way you see me hold it, very close to the stitch, but I'm not going to stitch on the side seam. Rather, I'm going to stitch it very close to the side seam. That is the simple tricks. So I've done doing that on both area where the side seam stop. So after stitching it down at the 2 edge like this, I'm loosening the normal seam allowance, not the pocket seam allowance, the normal seam allowance. I'm loosening the seam allowance on this pocket area. So after that, I'm marking now where I'm going to tack it. This point I'm marking where the pocket stop and where it starts. I'm going to tack it. And guys, once we tack it, you can see that our pocket is ready. So go ahead and press it flat and you see that your pocket is ready. So thank you so much for watching till the very end. Do well to subscribe, share and like this video so that more people can get to see it. And guys, you can see the final look is looking very beautiful. Bye.